Hi everybody, I'm Mary Cheney, CMO, and I'm here with my partner in crime,
Mike Evanisko, CTO of 888VoIP.
And today we're going to be unboxing Yealink T74W and T85W.
And we're going to be showing you how to provision these to the most popular phone systems on the market.
So let's get started. You did that nice one. We've got our quick start guide.
T85, it's this beautiful large executive screen. 16 line keys. Handset cord. Ethernet cable. Jack stand. And our handset.
Got our handset over here.
Yep, handset. Or Ethernet cord, or a handset cord. We have the back stand.
And
T85W.
And the cord. See if I can do this better.
And we have our 5-volt charger there. USB port here.
So this is the T74W.
Our emergency button on top.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's our emergency button. They all have that. Theirs doesn't have that.
This doesn't. So that's something to do too. Okay, so that's everything that's inside the boxes. So now we're going to assemble the phone, talk about the key features, and then we will get to provisioning. Now that we have unboxed and assembled both of the phones, we are going to start with the Yealink T74W. Thanks, Mike.
You're welcome.
The Yealink T74W is a direct 2026 successor to the T53W. It balances high-end professional features with a slimmer, more modern aesthetic, making it the ideal workhorse for management and power users. The Yealink T74W has a 4.3-inch color TFT LCD display. The resolution is 480 by 272 pixels. It features 10 line keys with LEDs, and it supports up to 50 programmable keys across 5 pages. The user interface supports dark and light themes and has customizable wallpapers and screensavers. The T74W has an HD handset, active noise filtering, and HD speaker. The phone also has built-in Wi-Fi 6 and built-in Bluetooth 5.0. This phone also features one USB port that is good for USB headsets, call recording, or an expansion module. Speaking of expansion modules, this phone supports up to 3 EXP55 color screen expansion modules. That is up to 180 additional line keys. Now that we've covered some of the most popular features of the Yealink T74W, we are going to turn it over to Mike to highlight some of the key features of the T85W.
The T85W is the direct successor to the Yealink T54W. The T85W features a 5.5 adjustable color LCD. This LCD has 960 by 480 pixels for retina grade quality. This is the first phone on the market that really has a cell phone-like screen. It features 12 physical line keys and supports up to 60 programmable keys up to 5 pages. So it's great for your receptionists or anyone working that front counter. It supports light and dark themes, customizable wallpapers, and screensavers. This model also features the proprietary Yealink Optima voice, which features HD handset and HD speakerphone. It also has the Acoustic Shield 3.0, which creates a visual perimeter for crystal clear audio for your open office floor plans. The T85W has a Hall switch handset, so it does not have the traditional hook switch. If you're familiar with high-end video game controllers, it's the same technology. It's all magnetized. The T85W features Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, and dual USB ports. It's got your traditional USB port on the right here for your USB headset. It also has a USB port on the back of the phone, which can be used to charge your mobile device. It also supports up to 3 EXP55 expansion modules.
Okay, so now that we've talked about some of the most popular features of these two models, let's talk about security.
Woo!
Woo!
Yealink has 3 rings to rule them all. The core ring, which is your hardware encryption, your shield ring, which is your network protection, and your guard ring, which is your transmission protection.
That's some serious security.
All day. Now let's get to the fun part. Let's provision this to the ConnectWare phone system.
First, you're going to want to log into ConnectWare. Once logged in, you're going to add a new user.
This is easy by going to the users on the left and then add new users in the top right corner. Today we're going to add a test user and put an extension on our phone system. You're going to enter in the user's basic information, pick their department, add their email address, and then the phone system will automatically send the username and password to that user. Once the user is added to the phone system, you're going to refresh and we can quickly search for that user we just added. Now we can go to edit the user of this phone system and set up some of their phones. ConnectWare is natively connected to Yealink RPS and YMCS. So as long as we add this phone's MAC address to the ConnectWare phone system and configure it, it will automatically pull the configuration file down from the Yealink cloud. Today we're going to pick the model of the Yealink SIP-T85W. You can see ConnectWare has all of the new modern Yealink phones added in by default. This allows configuring the phones to be very simple and easy. We're going to add in the MAC address of the specific phone and pick the model. And then we're going to use the Yealink ConnectBuilder, which is an awesome tool to easily configure all the BLFs and line keys on the phone. Here you can see it shows you the exact model of the phone, look and feel, so you can easily pick what lines go where and what does what. This is really easy if you have a lot of different models of phones for an organization. Once this is done and you have everything that you want set, we're going to save and resync, which will automatically upload and change the configuration file, and your phone will be able to reboot, connect to Yealink Cloud, and pull it from the ConnectWare phone system. And it's as easy as that. T74W and the T85W are both available in our Buffalo and Reno warehouses, so make sure you please reach out to your sales rep or visit our website, 888VoIP.com. And don't forget about our provisioning services.
Yeah, we have some awesome provisioning services, from custom faceplates to marketing materials. So also ask your sales rep about all the services that are available to you. So thank you so much for watching our video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.